Gandang gabi. Thank you so much, Ma'am Kulani. Only coffee. No food. Why? Diet? You eat a bread. Bread with coffee or egg. Bread with cheese. I like milk with food. Milk with food. But coffee. Only coffee. Okay. Thank you. 5 million in the house. Maraming salamat po. James, Ate Norms is here. Ate Norms is there. She's tambay-tambay. Ate Norms is tambay-tambay lang. She's there. Biji-biji. Ma'am Kulani, maraming salamat sa pagbisita. Thank you so much. Hindi ako nakapunta sa live mo. Maaga akong pumapasok. Nurse is blurry. BG. Nurse is BG. She's here. Tambay. Nakatambay si Ate Norms dyan. Say hi. Say hi, Ate Norms. For million in the house, shout out. Maraming salamat. Is it your off day today? No, it's a weekend. Weekend, Saturday. Tomorrow is off. Sunday, tomorrow. Tomorrow is off day, Sunday. Today is Saturday. Here is Saturday night. Yes, oh, you work today. Yes. Oo. Kanina. I'm working kanina. I'm working kanina. Mag-shout out tayo uli. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat. Sorry, it's still early for me. Oh, early in the morning. Palayain na